Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn 2 by 2 multiplication by addition method. So if I want to do like 54 times 23, what am I going to do is I'm going to split one of the number as addition. So I can think about any number which is more convenient. In our case, 23 will be easier to split into 20 plus 3. So I'll be splitting 23 as 20 plus 3. And the second number, I'll keep it as it is. So 54 times 20 and 54 times 3. Now, if I want to do 54 times 20, I can just neglect that 0 at the moment. I can just simply think about 54 times 2. 54 times 2, which is double of 54, which is 108. And there is 0 at the end, which I can just put it down. If I want to do 54 times 3, I'll be going left to right. So 50 times 3. 50 times 3, which is 150. And 4 times 3, which is 12. 150 plus 12, which is 162. Now, I will try to add them together. So as you can see, there is 1,000 and 160 plus 80 will become 240. So it will be 1, 2, 4, and then there's a 2 here. So 1,242 is going to be my answer, guys. So be trying to practice few more questions exactly like that. So 42 times 24 and 61 times 47. You can pause the video, give it a go. Let's see what answer you're getting. But meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give likes to this video, guys. All right. I hope you tried, guys. So let us say in this question, what am I going to split is 42 will be easier because I can nicely split that into 40 and then plus 2. And I'll be multiply them with 24 and 24. Now I will neglect the 0. So 24 times 4, which is 96. And then there's a 0 at the end. So that gives me 960. And 24 times 2 is going to be 48. Now there's a 900 and there's a 60 plus 40 will also give you another 100, which is going to be 1,000. So, and there's a 8. So 1,008 will be your answer. If I want to do the next question, like 61 times 47, I can split my 61 into 60 plus 1. And I can multiply both of them with 47 and 47. Now, this is going to be good, guys. So let us say this 0 at first, I'm going to neglect totally, and I'll put it at the end. So now 47 times 6. So I can do like 40 times 6. 46 are 240. And 7 6 are 42. So 240 plus 42 will be 282. And then I do have that 0 at the end, which I can put it down here. And 47 times 1 is just 47. And when I add them, it's going to be 2,867. How quick, guys, isn't it? Just practice few questions, guys, and check your answer with the calculator, and that's going to boost up your confidence. Because whenever you learn any new trick, it's very, very important to understand and then practice it. And then definitely you can feel, guys, math can be hard. Yeah. So if you like this video, again, guys, subscribe if you didn't do that yet. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.